Do you want to learn how to do flawless stitch braids on natural 4C hair without using any gel? Stick with me until the end and I will walk you through an easy step-by-step method for achieving neat and professional looking stitch braids. Whether you're a beginner, just starting your hair braiding journey, a hairstylist looking to sharpen your skills, or someone working with 4C hair, this is a guide, a perfect one for you. Let's get started. First things first, always start with clean detangled hair on 4C hair. This is especially important because tangles can disrupt your braiding process. After washing, conditioning the hair thoroughly and then apply a lightweight leave-in conditioner to keep it moisturized. Next, use a white tooth comb or a detangling brush to gently walk through the hair. Once the hair is tangle-free, you can stretch it if you want. So to create this perfect stitch braids, sectioning is everything. Start by using a rat tail comb to create clean, straight parts. Don't mind the one I'm using to divide the stitch. It got broken. I had to just use it and complete the work. So begin at the nape, that's at the back of the neck, and work your way up, dividing the hair into rows. For this tutorial, I will show you how to do big size stitch braid, but you can adjust the size depending on your preference and your client's preference or whomever you're making. So the pro tip now is use clips or hair ties to keep the sections neat and out of the way while you work your precisions. For here, I'm just, because of the hair wasn't getting on the way, I didn't really use any hair ties. Precision here sets the foundation for a polished result.
That you've been lonely makes you cold as ice.
Now let's dive into the stitching technique. This method gives the signature stitch look, which is trendy and professional. Anchor the hair. Start by taking a small section of hair at the beginning of your row. Split it into 3 even pieces. This will form the base of your braid and add gradually as you braid. Use your thumb and index finger, if you have a nails on, to grab the amount of hair from the parted section. But for me, I'm using my comb to do the pattern. This is what creates the stitch effect. Be consistent with the size of hair you add for a uniform look. Focus on tension. Make sure your grip is firm but not too tight, especially on 4C hair, which can be prone to breakage. Maintaining even tension throughout will ensure the braid lies flat against the scalp. No gel needed. Instead of gel, rely on clean pattern and consistent finger placement to keep the braid neat. If you like a bit of hold, a lightweight styling cream or butter can be used, but it's optional. Not that you cannot use gel, but for this hair tutorial we are not using gel. Once you reach the end of your section, continue braiding down the length of the hair. If the client or model's hair is shorter, you can add extensions to achieve a longer look, as we are doing. Secure the end with a small elastic band or simply braid until the natural holds. Like this one, I had to make the tip very tiny, like a pencil mouth. Even when the extension was too much at the tip, I had to use scissors to sharpen it off so I can get that pencil tip. If you do it that way, you just tie it and it goes. So I watch with me to the end. You will see how I keep it in place. Repeat these steps for each row, ensuring that the parts stay clean and the braids are evenly sized. Tips for working on fussy hair. Hydration is key. Always keep a spray bottle of water nearby to rehydrate the hair as needed. Take breaks if you're new to braiding. I'm just giving you a pro tips now. Take breaks if you're new to braiding. Give yourself time to adjust to repetition motion. Practice makes perfect. The stitch braid technique may take some practice, but with consistency, you will see improvement in no time. Why you should try stitch braids without gel? Skipping the gel has several advantages. It reduces product buildup, which is a common issue for fussy hair, and it makes the hairstyle last longer without flaking. Plus, this technique is beginner friendly and perfect for those who want to keep their styling routine as natural as possible. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating stitch braids on natural fussy hair without using gel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more step-by-step hairstyle tutorials. Let me know in the comment section if you tried the method or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.